Hey, it's Ronan, and this is my new little accordion. I didn't know that I would love this accordion as much as I do. This is the accordion that's getting the most amount of playing time, mostly because it sits on top of the piano in the dining room. What I thought I would do in this video is just talk you through some of the limitations of having such a small accordion. I'll address the issue of whether this is a toy or whether this is a real accordion, who this accordion is for, and I'll play some songs and show you how I get around some of those limitations. So I picked up this accordion off of Facebook Marketplace for $200. I'm the second owner of this accordion. The original owner who I bought it from is a gentleman in Victoria whose parents bought him this accordion off of the Sears catalog sometime around 1970 or 1972. He tried it when he was younger and he didn't play it since, and now I got it and it's wonderful. There are a few notes that are not vibrating perfectly, but for 200 Canadian dollars I'm happy with this purchase. The bellows are super tight. All that I've done is I've put on these little microphones just for you to be able to hear it a little bit better. Who this accordion is for. This accordion is for someone like me, someone who knows how to play the accordion, and this is their second or third accordion. Great, it's a lot of fun. It's easy to travel with. This accordion is for the absolute beginner. This is a nice entry-level accordion because it's cheap. It's cheap to get into the accordion world with something like this because there are lots to be found on Facebook Marketplace. And it's also the limitation of only having majors. So you can't play minors on the left hand of this accordion without modifying it. But having that limitation lets you orient yourself quite easily. It's difficult to get lost. It's easy to understand the Stradella bass system, the circle of fifths, and how chords connect to each other using just 12 keys, 12 notes. There are 6 notes here, the note itself and the major. It's kind of easy to understand. And it's easy to understand just if you're a beginner player. It's kind of nice just to move your hands around to see if you actually like the accordion before investing more heavily into an instrument. Good. With that out of the way, I discussed the limitations. So this accordion, the pa-pa, usually with an accordion we could do an pa-pa. That's comprised of an and a pa. Usually on accordions with more bass buttons, we have a pa-pa that can also be a minor. Right now we're doing this. Pa-pa, pa-pa. And we're stuck with that major. We can't do an... We don't have a pa-pa that's a minor. So I have B flat, F, B flat major, F flat major, B flat, F, C, G, D, and A majors. I cannot play a left hand minor. I could play the minor with my right hand, which I'll show you in a few minutes. You'll see on the timeline there are 3 or 4 songs that I'll play, and I'll show you how I get around those limitations. Namely, I'm expressing them with my right hand. So if I wanted to play a C minor, the pa-pa I'm doing with my right hand. And if I want to do some sort of... That's a C major alternate bass technique. I'm going to do just a... I'm just doing a C, G without the pa-pa. I'm reserving the pa-pa to my right hand. Let me show you what it's like to do this in practice. I'm going to transpose some songs to the key of F major because that gets me the most amount of mobility with my left hand chords. Let's do Leonard Cohen's Hallelujah. Very nice. Again, the limitations you heard, I have an oompa for maybe there's a God above. That's my D minor, right? Right? D minor on my right hand. And just expressing the not the pa with my left hand. Let's try a tango. Let's try El Choclo Tango. Because it starts with a minor. So you'll see me do a lot of instead of pa pa. I don't have a E major. Let's do that again. I would play the song in C minor because that would allow me more versatility. So again, needing to transpose because I don't have enough keys. In C minor, not ideal, but it can work. Let's do a klezmer song. Let's do Reb Dovidl. It's doable. Now again, I'm heavily relying on my right hand to express those chords. My right hand is very heavily involved, much more so than if I had a 120 bass accordion like I have here, where I could express my left hand, in which case my right hand could be more sparse. Right now on a song like Tradition, right? C minor. I'm expressing more of that chord. so that you hear that it's a minor. Because I can't express it with my left hand. On the right hand, sure. It's obviously a major, but then minor, that's all I can do. Or I could do... So keep that in mind. Again, who this accordion is for, the absolute beginner who's looking to get into the accordion and looking to start to coordinate their hands, move their right hand with a Stradella bass system and familiarize themselves with a keyboard layout. Great. A few $100s? Awesome. Do this before upgrading to a much bigger accordion. For those of you that already have an accordion and you're looking for something that's a bit more bite-sized, a bit more travel-sized, it's kind of nice. If you're looking for a musette sound, beautiful little instrument, right? I think it's a really, really fun instrument to get. Let me know if you have any questions. Sign up for AccordionLove.com. There's a free 3-day trial. Bye-bye.